Good afternoon, morning, night, whatever time you're watching this. It is maximum pressure washing here, and today I'm showing you guys another one of our jobs. This is a quick driveway that we're gonna do. I'm showing you a little before. So it's really dirty right here. It's pretty yellow from just dirt buildup and just the sun. And then we're gonna also do this little pathway right here. Do this white. So yeah, this kind of stuff here. It's a quick driveway, and I'll get back to you guys when we're done. And we are back with the final product here, and this, as you're seeing here, this white stuff, this is some chemical mixed with some water and soap, and we leave this over here so that it does work on the concrete over time, and it gives it a nice like polished finish look, and just leaves it shiny. And so it'll just, soap helps it not dry up from the sun as fast, but over time it does just go away completely and leave the driveway looking brand new. So yeah, this is the finished product, and thank you for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.